Welcome to soyachinchao.com. Today you are here with me, Chapri, and I would like to show you Tesla Malaysia's new home, the Tesla Centre Cyberjaya. Come, let's take a look. So, what exactly is a Tesla Centre? According to the company, Tesla Centre is meant to deliver an all-in-one experience for customers. One of the centre's main element is its showroom. Although in Tesla's universe, it is called the Tesla Experience Centre. Customers are already able to visit the Tesla Centre Cyberjaya to have a hands-on experience with Tesla vehicles immediately. Aside from that, Tesla Centre Cyberjaya also houses the company's delivery centre, service centre, and after-sales support. From this aspect, the Tesla Centre Cyberjaya seems to be similar in nature as per the traditional 3S or 4S centres. That being said, the Tesla Centre Cyberjaya also houses Tesla Malaysia's head office. Contrary to some reports, Tesla Centre Cyberjaya is not the regional office of Tesla. Meanwhile, you can spot several training rooms, working areas, as well as a 200-seater auditorium. There is also a nifty flower arrangement in the shape of Tesla logo within the open area at the middle of the two-story centre. The Tesla Centre Cyberjaya also houses 20 charging bays, featuring 8 superchargers and 12 destination chargers. But unfortunately, these chargers are meant only for internal use for the time being, and Tesla can't confirm if they will ever be open to the public in the future. According to Tesla's regional director Isabel Fan, Cyberjaya is the first Tesla Centre location in Malaysia, so expect more to be open in the near future, although she stopped short of revealing any launch timeline or future locations. So, what do you think of the Tesla Centre Cyberjaya? Leave us a comment below, and don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Of course, please don't forget to press the bell icon up there so that you'll get notified whenever we release a new video. This is Chapri signing off of the Tesla Centre Cyberjaya. Stay tuned for more at soyachinchao.com.